Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to add your credit card or debit card on Uber Eats app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to add your credit card or debit card on Uber Eats app. We'll start by opening up your Uber Eats app. Once you open up your Uber Eats app, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. So once you arrive here, look on the bottom where you're gonna see account right there. Make sure you tap on account. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you tap on where it says wallet. So tap on your wallet right there. Then we're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. So once you arrive here, make sure you look all up. We're gonna see where it says add payment method. Right there, as you guys can see, it says add a payment method. So tap there. Then you can be able to click on which one you want to add. So since we're doing credit or debit card, make sure you tap on the first one right there. So tap there. Then you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here. Make sure you install your information or otherwise it won't work. So once you have all the correct information, make sure you tap on where it says save. So tap on save right there. Then you're gonna add your payments up there. And that's how you add it, your credit card or debit card on Uber Eats app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.